Welcome back to SEOslant. You've finally made it to page 1 of Google, but there's a massive problem. Your search result looks exactly like everyone else's, and you are bleeding clicks to your competitors. Today, we are fixing that. I'm going to show you exactly how to add schema markup to your website so you can dominate search results with eye-catching rich snippets. And the best part? You won't have to write a single line of complex code. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. The secret weapon for stealing clicks. So what exactly is schema markup? Think of it as a direct translator between your website and Google. Normally, Google has to scrape your page and guess what your content is about. Schema markup removes that guesswork by handing Google the exact details of your page on a silver platter. When you do this, Google rewards you with rich snippets. You've definitely seen these before. They are the search results that feature bright gold star ratings, recipe cooking times, product prices, event dates, or drop-down FAQ sections directly on the search page. When your search result has these visual features and your competitors don't, your listing acts like a magnet. It immediately grabs the searcher's attention, skyrockets your click-through rate, and steals traffic right out from under your competition, even if you aren't ranking in the #1 spot. Chapter 2. The Myth of Coding. Now, I know what you were thinking. Schema sounds highly technical, and you probably think you need a computer science degree to figure it out. That is a complete myth. You do not need to know how to code to add structured data to your site. If you use WordPress, it is incredibly easy. Standard SEO plugins like Rank Math, Yoast, or Schema Pro will automatically generate and apply basic schema for your articles and products behind the scenes with just a few simple clicks. But what if you aren't on WordPress, or you want to create a highly custom schema for a specific page? All you have to do is use a free online schema generator. Tools like Merkle or technicalzio.com allow you to simply select the type of schema you want, like an FAQ page, a local business, or a product, and fill out a plain text form with your information. Once you hit enter, the tool instantly writes the perfect, error-free JSON LD code for you. You just copy that block of text and move to the final step. Chapter 3. Implementation and Testing. Once you have your schema code copied, implementing it is an absolute breeze. You just need to inject that code into the header or the body of the specific web page you want to rank. Most modern website builders like Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, or Webflow have custom code sections in their individual page settings where you can literally just paste this right in. If you use an SEO plugin, there is usually a dedicated custom schema box ready and waiting at the bottom of your post editor. But before you celebrate, you have to test it. Never assume the code works perfectly right out of the gate. Go to Google's Rich Results Test tool online. It is completely free. Just paste your live page URL or the exact code snippet into the tool and hit test. Google will analyze it instantly and tell you exactly if your page is eligible for those highly coveted rich snippets or if there is a missing field or error you need to fix. Get a green checkmark and you are good to go. Adding schema markup is simply one of the highest ROI tasks you can do for your website. You turn boring text into an irresistible search result, steal clicks from higher-ranking competitors, and do it all in just a few minutes without learning how to code. If you found this breakdown helpful and want more straightforward, actionable SEO strategies to grow your traffic, make sure to subscribe to SEOslant right now. Also, I've dropped links to those free schema generators and Google's testing tool in the description below, so go check those out to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.